Okay, folks, welcome to Coffee Talk, where we do some pre-market analysis for the trading day. And as of the 30th, these commentaries will be held inside of our upcoming private network, our public forum. So please enter your email address, link below, or if you watch us on Twitter, link above, or if you just want to simply use the QR code, scan your phone, and get your name on the email list. It's going to be free for the first couple of hundred members. After that, we're probably going to charge a small fee because I need to keep the lights on because it's costing me a lot of money. So let's get to the trading day. And again, August the 30th. Okay, so Friday, are we going to get a short covering Friday? Well, I think we've had that for the past several days. We're about flat on the futures market. You're looking at the NASDAQ minis right now, basically the QQQ, and they're down fractionally. Now, looking at the yield curve is about, it's up a little bit, rising a little bit. Net, we're still down on the week. So unless the spreads really widen out here, twos versus tens, I'm not too worried about the yield curve today anyway. But if we narrow that gap, if we close up on the week, you darn tootin', I'll be very, very worried about the yield curve steepening. Now, at 10 a.m., we get consumer confidence that comes out. Excuse me, consumer sentiment. And there could be a problem here for the market because oil is taking a nosedive. We're down over 2.75%. Now, the way the street looks at this right now, if it was 6 months ago, oil was up 3%, they'd be saying it's inflationary, the Federal Reserve can't raise rates, the markets would sell off. Now that oil is trading down, the concern is going to be, and when I say down, I don't mean down slightly. I'm talking about a big drop here on oil. They're going to be worried about the state of the economy. Is the economy okay? And if it's not, then we could see a sell-off on the market due to fears of recession. Ideally, in a growing economy, you're going to get rising oil prices. The fact that we're seeing declining oil prices today precipitously, I mean, beyond the average true range, well beyond the average true range, oil is under quite a bit of pressure today. Now, moving on to yields. Yields are dropping as well. Again, this reinforces the concern about the state of the economy. What is the concern? What's going on out there? Let's check in with the yen. One of the primary, oh, look at this. One of the primary reasons why the markets have rallied of late is due to the yen dropping. That yen carry trade that was under pressure due to the skyrocketing yen last week. Here, it looks as though we're beginning to break out yet again. This is a 4-hour chart. The question is, do we break out or do we put in a lower high? Let's throw up an alert here so we're notified. And there you go. So watch out for the yen. Let's take a look at the euro because we're long of gold stocks, and this matters. So, and also, if you think about it, right now, the dollar with the euro yen up, I bet you a nickel that the price of the dollar is down, yet it's not helping. Yeah, the dollar is dropping pretty heavily here, down about a quarter percentage point. It's not helping oil prices. Oil is priced in US dollars, yet oil is dropping with a weak US dollar. Let's check in with the semi space. Semi is the leadership group on the week. They're about flat from last night. What else do we want to take a look at? Let's take a quick peek at the futures market. We have gold up, no shock there. Dollar down, gold up. Bonds up, no shock there, with yields down. Volatility up 1.5%, just shy of that. Wheat, agriculture, this has been performing pretty well in a weak market. If in fact we do weaken up here. Euro we already went over. Natty gas down fractionally, not fractionally, down 0.75%. Copper down again. Dr. Copper, are there concerns about a waning economy here? Nasdaq just broke support. Let's go through it. I had an alert set up there. I wanted to know whether or not we would break down to lower lows. This is not a big drop here, so it's not. I have a short position. I'm dying to take it off, to be honest with you. So we have the NQ now down. The NASDAQ 100 triple Q is down about 1/10 of a percentage point. You can see I have my exit order down here on 6 contracts. I just want to get made whole. I just want to be out of the trade because yesterday we blew through resistance on a monthly time frame like a hot knife through butter and didn't look back, and it kind of freaked me out. So I really just want to get made whole on this trade, go to cash, and see what happens with the rest of the market. All right, folks, that's it for the morning update. Members, I will talk to you later on, and we'll talk to each other on the week ahead commentary. If you're not currently on our email list, please enter your email address below. Get on our list for the public forum as well as our Sunday Night Futures Live. Like, subscribe. You know the deal. Talk to you soon. Have a profitable